normal kan yam kana diala kontin barwanya lingwa seme jo bana linga jo danan be ka nasir te ka jo mashallah no she te ka nei te lanwari te chilo jo kare wecha ka nasir county jo jalat Nasir County Commissioner Jendan and bana nyo gwasame ka Nuer online TV channel men yam men bana ngachen wale shanka DH kapai badak ron kina dangaro widi jan dangaro widi DH bana jo me bana janyo akel ka do bana shano gaje report bana linga report misha gor no ka shanka kel kapai badak ron kina dangaro widi jan dangaro widi DH Ramadan la County Commissioner la Nasir County Commissioner bana jo dana chika lat gwasa me bana jalin kel ta dan lat kana jon wo shnalu chre wi ka Nasir no kenyam kaner wa chika madan le roda be jo dana chika lat beje kwen ya ka biya jalin ka do badana che to gaje ga jo mashalat gwasa me gono biya nywak ke be nywak ya kel me de yena ling chalare wona na Nasir County Commissioner Office no chikana update chikana nguna no kanichi situation antere which ka Nasir charo da palpin no ka jo dana chikana lat kani entama chi kor chetel chi situation chagwa no netin konte cha displays a kore dane chi togre wi ka Nasir wa tem chi kalure which ka Nasir no ka jo dan chalat wa chi chup ka nor nyareo by tik tukleel kane nyareo kwerenge wane diara content en winemi wa chi kalure wi ka Nasir County wane de kona kan bene kane de content kenye torpot padanyang pandanyang ke pandanyang kene kedbek wane de to kene de content ken were which ka Nasir County ke ken kalu doreken ka jodan lat ka gwasme no beje kwini gwasme ko gorje no banamadan chikan lat gwasme banjeling me ka den bi garping gwasmo ka tadan chikan lat ka je ka jom cha kwen gwasme me bialing the Nasir County Commissioner Office is pleased to update the public that the situation is fully back to normalcy in Nasir County. The displaced civilians are peacefully returning back to their home, starting from Nor Nyareo, Baintik, Tukleel, and Nyareo, Kwerenge, and everywhere in Nasir County except Nyetot, Torpot, Pandanyang and Kedbek, and an assurance was given to the community of those areas to peacefully return to their home from Mandang by the county government. Nasir County is in speed recovery and all the NGOs are informed to relocate their county aid office to Nasir town this week by the office of SSRRC County Director Mach Dual Galwak through the directive of the county government. Director Mike Dual Galwak is currently in Juba meeting all the director of the NGOs operating in Nasir County, informing them about the security stability in Nasir County and the community need like food security, livelihood, education, health, civic education, training, peace building, and support for returnee settlement. The Nasir Trade Union body has declared to supply the county with all needed goods, and a good number of boats are on their way from Ethiopia border to Nasir town to bring all type of food stuff and non-food items to have enough stock in the market, and will extend to Payam as well as Ulang County up to Melakal. The traders have declared themselves non-partisan, since their nature of their work is business and has nothing to connect with either SSPDF, SPLIO or political parties. They say that they are part of civil society organization that deal with trading and business related program, not political or war related program. They continue by saying that our nature of work is business and we have all the right to work anywhere in Nasir County to help in the fight against food insecurity through business. We urge both SPLIO and SSPDF to know that we are business people working to support the well-being of the citizen through business and trading. Our boat are our business asset and we cannot just sit and not making good use of them. If we don't operate from them, how shall we recover our money that we spend purchasing them? Our free movement is our constitutional right as trader and must be respected. They concluded to get more update. So anyway, message chaling gwasame Jowadan shaling an 18 contin tere we can nasser kire kan nasser no alanitin contin la county commissioner kire contin right kan nasser din ngajin wone ne of course can gor kan longo no de naro di rit no den wede ngwande ka lu jok chairman shaling gwasame kanete kaneti shirlu jogon teme netin contin te kawi tin chalat gwasame no we kele kala ro nor nyaare o jenisi ne ke ne tin kon tin chi ro di rit anyok keni bain picture chi ro di rit tugliel chi ro di rit nyaare kwerenge kenene dialti kene di sharu di rit teme chi lo re we kanasser kene ti to lat kon keme katada na shalat keje keni chika roj bom maneten kon tin kap ke kanti ni and kanti NGOs ko nasser take kanti ni tin lat kene wona ne kene ramkel melare long mishale mai dual galwak my dwell galwag waja Ramadan and la director county director ko organization wajan jare wiki juba waja Canadian continent NGOs ko de ka bere which ka Nasser county ka de ka ben operate ka jawran ti kanalat kan Nasser sha gwalung antame chi situation cha roda palpinya la security kan cha stable telim lari ek telim la kur kan antame na tin ko kwa food security kwa jari alika rel ga chianga ka ko terami mami ba la bat ba ye da bat ka tadan lat keneje kene nyok bane chi Nasser Trader Union body chicken dual alla Nasser Trader Union kene de konti la jinya gatke ne de konanti ke boni ne de kon la kun la ja yanang ke Ethiopia rol buñ ba janang win ten konti de Nuer wa ke ni chi dual ba kene de konti la kume dung kirme yadit no en go bi can operate ko boniken chicken ga ko yo ke chicken de pin bang ka tada lat keneje ken boniken la dien wo de kan kwan de kan nang re which china de chuch chicken mandan en chuina ke je ken bonati ti ke boni ati de use no ka do badan en de kwan da chup ke je kan etin contin chuch ka tada chicken lat ke je gwas memlin kona meni chitke je wadan shaling kani antama shi Trader Union kan bi kan boni bi kan kalat bi kan kwan bi kan nang kan gwad dan we SSPDF kan jikume we kan kami nang kan kwan rai we kan Nasser ka tadan jikalat ka je kan shi kan kwan ke sha kwan chaje la air dropping chaje lat kuma ke me yadi to ko rai we kan Nasser jo me michi kan ladan tamen o chi Nasser sha magwa miku kon ben gwasa me jo me miku kon lat kelode Nasser she is safe Nasser chekwa ke tame me Nasser nitin konti within ke shemanten kon shemanten content kel ke kirma yadit ne te pai shemane kenak pai kana ga managat pai na wang de na wure which Nasser ngode terere ka nitin konti we by the way de kanitin kontin dong atishi mane kire which ka ne te konti la kwar de ke shemane ken de kan kanang de je sha tuna me sha janen gwad me sha bel sha ngai kon no bel sha ka drop belin content ko alo cap so kanetin kon de re gwas mo kanetin content shi mane kenti gare wuch ngane je gwan wone ne ene diale kon de shar bare wi Nasser ka ka lockdown e kam pa yal pin shuina ka tel ko la tok baranteme ko sha wuch sha je ale kam ba lok ba je tupten teram de re gen we re wi Nasser no dong de mo krek kire malat ka mene ne titina ne ti melet kana by the way adop ko bana lu njok nyal melaken message la kana jaka jamo gor kana ba jeling an wo chi wecha gwa kwing ode telemachin gwaten telemachin gwarede jo me gor jen wode jwa ya kel an ban nyu jigle radian chui poro jenu jin bi Nuer online tv channel bi nyu anas ko ken an bi atakamal bye bye